The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is a phone for people looking to use cutting-edge technology. It's a phone for people who are bored of the traditional smartphone, and it's a phone that has made me want a foldable device in my pocket 24/7. But, that being said, should you buy this now or should you wait? Let's get into it. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 features a foldable 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED display, and when it's folded, it has a narrow 6.2-inch cover display. The folding mechanism is smooth and solid, and you can really feel this when opening and closing the device. It feels extremely premium, and the phone is thinner and lighter than its predecessor. This makes it feel a lot more comfortable to hold and use, which really does seem to be an important thing nowadays with foldables, especially because it almost feels like you're holding two phones at the same time with some of them. But Samsung have done a very good job at trying to make this feel less like that. Going back to the folding mechanism, the hinge has yet again been improved here, and it feels more robust than before. Samsung claims that it's tested to withstand over 200,000 folds, which should give you peace of mind if you're worried about the durability of this device. The hinge also has a new feature called Flex Mode, which allows you to use the phone at different angles when it's partially folded. This is great for video calls or taking photos, as you can prop up the phone and use it hands-free. There's even been times specifically where I'm watching football and I'm able to partially fold this device, prop it up and continue watching the game. I just never thought I'd be watching sport on a screen that is literally curved to this extent. Now let's talk about the quality of the display on the Fold itself. The foldable screen is obviously the star of the show here, and it is truly impressive. It's bright, vibrant, and supports HDR content. You can use this phone in a traditional smartphone mode, or you can unfold it and use it in a tablet-like mode. And yes, in this mode you can see the crease in the middle of the display, but when viewing it straight on, you can't really see it that much. It's almost like it blends in. It really is a non-issue for me, the same way that the notch on a normal phone is a non-issue for me. The foldable display just allows for new use cases such as multitasking and split screen mode, which have all been available on Samsung flagships for a while, but it's just so much better when you use this software on a bigger display. Samsung really have gone to town with features available on this device, even allowing you to use it as a mini laptop. The camera setup is similar to the one found on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and it's the one thing I have a problem with when it comes to this phone. The camera is just not good enough for me. I've heard people say that if you're buying a foldable, then the camera shouldn't matter, but that just isn't the case for me. I need a smartphone with a good camera, but I also want to use cutting-edge technology that this foldable obviously offers to me. The Google Pixel Fold, which has just been released, seems to be the first phone that may actually have it all. And if you're interested in seeing that phone, then definitely hit that subscribe button, because I'll be getting my hands on that very soon. I really want to get to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. Anyway, going back to the title of this video, the Google Pixel Fold, which is soon to be released, might be the better overall phone in my opinion. The phone will have similar design to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, but with better software integration and a nicer aspect ratio in my opinion. We'll have to wait and see how it performs in real world usage, but it's definitely something to keep an eye on. Overall, I highly recommend the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. It's a fantastic phone that showcases the future of smartphone design and functionality. It's not perfect, and it is expensive, but it's a great device for early adopters and enthusiasts who want to experience the latest technology on offer. That being said, I do honestly believe the Pixel Fold will be the better option for most people. My advice would be to wait for the Z Fold 5 and see what Samsung has to offer, and then make your choice once you can compare the Z Fold 5, Z Fold 4 and Pixel Fold. Either way, I personally am very excited for all of this new technology. We now have multiple competitors in the foldable market, so things are going to get very interesting. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you're feeling like being extra awesome, then hit that subscribe button to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.